Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on your Chromebook. Since Valorant is a Windows-only game, you cannot install it directly on Chrome OS. However, there are excellent workarounds using cloud gaming platforms. These services stream the game from powerful remote servers directly to your device. This means you can enjoy the fast-paced action without needing a high-end computer. A strong, consistent internet connection is absolutely essential for a smooth experience, ideally with speeds of at least 15 megabits per second. One fantastic option is NVIDIA GeForce Now. This service lets you stream a vast library of PC games, including Valorant, directly to your Chromebook. Simply download the GeForce Now application from the Google Play Store. Once installed, you can link your existing game store accounts, such as Steam or Epic Games, to access your own titles. While a free tier is available, a premium membership provides priority access to gaming servers, extended session lengths, and enhanced graphics performance for a truly immersive experience. Another excellent cloud gaming platform is Boosteroid, which also brings a wide array of PC games to your Chromebook. You can easily install Boosteroid as an Android application from the Google Play Store or use its progressive web app. This service allows you to play hundreds of popular titles without needing to download or install them locally, saving valuable storage space. For optimal performance, Boosteroid recommends an internet connection of at least 15 megabits per second, ensuring smooth gameplay. To get the best Valorant experience on your Chromebook, consider these tips. A wired Ethernet connection is always superior to Wi-Fi for stability and lower latency. Using an external mouse and keyboard will provide much better precision and control than your Chromebook's built-in peripherals. Always close any unnecessary browser tabs or applications to free up system resources. Finally, ensure your Chromebook has at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and a 7th-generation Intel Core M3 processor, or newer for smooth streaming.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.